this is our test review over the first section about inequalities and absolute value. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to write the solution for the graphs here. We have these 8 problems here. And what we want to do is this. First off, I can tell we're at 1. And I know this. We have an x, and it's going to definitely have a bar because of the dot. And x has to be bigger, so it's greater than or equal to. We're going to come over here, and I have a 1. I'm going to write my x. But this time, it's no bar, and x has to be smaller, so it's x less than 1. I'm going to come to this one. Now I'm going to have an x and a negative 1. There is no bar because it's an open dot, and x has to be what? Greater than. If I come over here, now I've got an x and a 4. There will be a bar because of the solid dot, so it's less than or equal to. Those were the first 4. And notice, if you write the letter on the left, the variable on the left, it just goes the way it points. That only works if you write the variable on the left. But I asked myself this question: am I looking for values bigger or smaller than 1? Bigger or smaller than negative 1? Bigger or smaller? That kind of thing right here. Now this one, because it's split, I know it is a OR. I can write the word OR right between it. I have x and a 0. It's a solid dot, so there'll be a bar. Here x is less than equal to 0. Or I'm going to have this x with a 3. And the x is still what? Greater than or equal to 0. Here it's less than. Here it's greater than. That's an OR. I know this one is a AND. Now the ANDs I can do this way. I can just do -4. No, it's not colored in. Is less than x, which is less than 3. I could do that. Or I could have written it this way. X is greater than -4. And x is less than 3. That's taking it the way I wrote it here and just putting the word and between it because they're going in. I personally prefer this way. So here's another and problem. I like to do this. It's -2, which is less than or equal to, because it's got the colored in, x, which is going to be less than, it's not colored in, the number 4. Or you could have gone x is greater than or equal to -2, and x is less than 4, if you want to combine the way they are right there. Here is an OR, because they're split going opposite ways. Here I have x less than or equal to -2, or I have x greater than 1. Notice, when the variable is on the left, it goes the way it points. It's not the case when the variable is on the right. But I like to write my ands like this. I think it's simpler, easier, because I know it is between these two numbers. And notice the graph is between the numbers. The ORs are the ones that are going to split out. So you'll need to write them and label them such. And don't forget the word OR. And if you split the ands, you have to write and. If not, you can write it with one statement.